If you're playing Genshin Impact and see error code 4201, don't worry. This usually happens because of network instability, corrupted game files, or server issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check the Genshin Impact server status. Visit Genshin Impact server status to ensure servers are online. If there's maintenance, wait until servers are back up. Next, restart the game and your device. Completely close Genshin Impact, restart your PC, console, or mobile device. Then relaunch the game. Now, check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Avoid VPNs, proxies, or mobile hotspots, which can interfere with server connections. After that, update the game. Open the launcher or app store and install any pending updates to ensure compatibility with servers. Also, repair or verify game files. If on PC, use the Genshin Impact Launcher's repair feature to fix corrupted or missing files. Finally, disable background apps and overlays. Close Discord overlay, screen recorders, or other apps that may interfere with network connectivity. In most cases, a stable internet connection and verifying game files resolves error 4201 quickly.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.